This is very exciting. Oh, okay, three more people. Yes, look at that. How many of you managed to listen to the tune? Do you know the tune? What? Tell me. We're not singing yet. People are still joining. How do you know it? Look at this. Ben is coming. Hugh,
From
you're saying something. I can't hear
pole
you.
dancing at summer camp when I was a kid.
As in what language, Paul?
Just the music. That's why I'm excited to learn the song.
Right.
Me too.
Yeah,
It was
Hugh, you said something, no?
dancing with the kids in school.
In what language?
And the music, only music.
Just the music, right? Interesting. Yeah.
I heard the music somewhere.
Right. Yeah. It's one of these traveling tunes that exists. Right. Look at our company here. Julian, great. Oh, look.
Hi. Привет.
Yes, and Erica. I was just.
Hi.
Hey, good to see you.
Сколько лет,
Good to
сколько
see you.
зим?
I
Сколько
thought
лет?
I had my headphones, but so I would show you the ice skaters, but they're not in my bag, so I'm outside.
All right, okay, let's see what happens. I don't know if people can chat between, if you can chat between yourselves. I'm not sure. So,
We can.
Deborah, you
can.
just wrote hi, Paul, but it's come just to me, so I don't know what's going on here. It just come to
And
me.
Deborah wrote to me.
Right, okay, because Paul, Dvoira is saying hello. That's all I can do. So basically, this is one of these traveling tunes that exists at least in 12 different cultures. I was doing research for that tune for my Caravan Orchestra and Choir project in the summer. That, you know, this is an orchestra and choir in Israel and Germany. And it's young people joining from Israel and Germany and Palestinians as well, where we do all sorts of different cultures, a combination of styles as well. So we sang this song in Russian, Ukrainian, Turkish, and Greek. And I thought we could challenge ourselves to at least 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 of these languages today. So the main tune, and I'm going to now mute you all. The main tune goes like this. I die 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 da die. I die 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 da die. I die 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 da die. I die 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 die. I die 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 die. I die da die die. I die 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 da die. I die 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 die. Right? That's the tune that most of you know, right? Is that right? Yeah? Okay, I'll probably take it down. Die, 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 die. Let's go here. So we'll sing it here. This is our formal warm-up. Slowly. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. Together, let's go. I die, die. Let me see you singing. Die, die. I die, 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 die. Again. I die, 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 die. Second ending. I die, 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 die. So all the way down, very easy. Let's go together from the beginning. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. Good. Second half. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. All the way down. Again. I die, 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 die. 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 So a tune that traveled from Eastern Europe all the way through Mediterranean countries. We have it in Turkish, we have it in Greek, but with 2 Turkish words, and that's the version we're going to sing today, if we get there. Which makes me think, oh, maybe it came via Turkey to Greece, and we have it in Yiddish culture, obviously Eastern Europe, Yiddish culture, an interesting song with a completely different text to all the other ones. We have it in Oh, there is an article listing even a Finnish version of it and a something like a Syrian melody that's very similar to this one. Very interesting. So let me see your faces. Did you listen to the files of what I sent you? Yeah? Funky, interesting. So we're just going to sing that tune one more time. Enjoy, have fun with it. There are variations, variants how we sing it. So we sang it like this: die, 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 die. It can be die, 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 which happens in the Yiddish tune. So I will be singing it in all sorts of ways. Do it the way you like, okay? The usual folky, open way. From the top. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. I da da die, 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 da die. I da 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 die, die. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. I da da die, 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 da die. I die, 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 die. I die, die, die. So there is that stopping as well, tie, die, tie, die, which we see in the Russian version. I'm going to take you to this sheet music. Let me see. Let's go to the Russian version here because that's 1914. Oh, wait. There. 1914, recorded in 1914, and probably the tune existed from much earlier on. So it's a zazdravne. How do you translate zazdravne? It's a congratulatory song to somebody whose birthday it is, or who has just won a prize, or who just finished studies or got a medal. Is there a term in other cultures, zazdravne? Formally, it means to someone's health, but it's basically kind of greetings to one person. Do we have a word for this? No? There must be. No? I don't see it. Your chat. No, nothing happens in the chat? All right. Okay. No, I don't see anything.
Congratulations we use for that, or they translate that phrase from congratulations in English to that.
But is there a genre of a song? Because this is a genre. Zazdravne, it's greetings to someone. Yeah? I don't know. Okay, so here it is, a recording from 1914, and here is the music. Die, 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 da, die. I die, 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 da, die. I die, 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 da, die. I die, die, exactly the same, die. I die, 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 da, die. I die, 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 listen, die, da, die. I die, 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 da, die. Die, 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 da, die. Slightly different, so let's look at that and sing it with the Russian congratulatory Russian text. Don't worry if you don't read Cyrillic, it'll be right here. So we will sing this as the Russian version of the tune. Okay, what's happening in the chat? Zazdravny, congratulatory, yeah. Okay, so the Russian version, 1, 2, 3, and I die, 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 da, die. 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 I die, 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 repeat. Chorus, die, 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 da, die. I die, 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 da, die. I die, 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 da, die. I die, 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 da, die. Now, I cannot guarantee you that when I'm looking at this, I'll be singing exactly as it is in the music, because there is 100 versions of this tune in Russian songs. My father, when I asked him, do you know this song? My father said, we as students in the 60s used to sing it to this text. And he sang me a text that was at his university, mocking his teachers and mocking some other physics department that they were inventing some nonsense newsletter articles and some really very, very internal stuff. So it was a tune that was all over the place, and people were writing songs to it and writing, using it as everything. So, как цветок душистый, like a blossoming flower. I'll say it. You know what? A lot of you are experienced in speaking Russian. I will say the whole verse and then we'll sing it. Speak with me. Как цветок душистый, аромат разносит, так бокал налитый, тост за здравный просит. And you see what it means. Yeah, it just demands a congratulatory speech. And then there is chorus. Выпьем же за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. So Sasha is Sasha Makarov, the composer, the writer of this lyrics, right? Maybe of this music, but I doubt it. So let's drink to Sasha, and you can change that name to anyone else's, right? It's like a bit of a Lomerali name on any of these songs where you can swap it. So let's drink to Sasha, our dear one, and this conforms to stereotypes. We Russians drink a lot, so and until we finish this one, there will be no other drink. So drink this one, and then let's go for the other one. Let's sing it. How is that? Easy? Let's go. Как цветок душистый, аромат разносит, как бокал налитый, тост за здравный просит. Выпьем же за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Chorus one more time. Выпьем за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. I tell you, let's sing the second verse. Кто друзей имеет, счастлив будет вечно. Тот, кто веселится, проживет беспечно. Выпьем за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Выпьем за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Выпьем же все вместе за любовь, за счастье, чтобы миновало горе и ненастье. Very nice text. Выпьем же за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Выпьем же за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Ай дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай. Right, I see it sounds distorted when okay, let me go down in volume a little bit. 1 second. Distorted for other people as well, right? No? I'll put my volume down a little bit. Wait a second. Right. Okay. Good. I've put my piano a little bit lower in volume. Hopefully it'll be okay. So that was the Russian version, a very, very simple text, very easy, very kind of rhymey, not very refined. So, did you understand? I didn't translate it all, but distorted, just distorted. Wait a second then, in that case. Let me, audio settings, a little bit. Oh yeah, input volume. Is that better now? I've put input volume down. All right. Da 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 da. Is that better?
I don't know. Do you have original music sound for musicians on?
It's
Yeah.
on. I think it was my volume was too high, and I put my volume down now. Should be okay. What do you think? We'll test it. Yeah, we'll test it. When I speak, it's okay. Let me know. You just stop me and say, Polina, you're shouting. It's too much.
Paulina,
Yeah.
that last line had Gordia and was it Nenastya, and they just translated it as troubles.
Горе и ненастье. So горе is quite dark.
regrets?
Горе is not just sorrows. It's troubles, but it's more it's deep.
Grief.
Grief. It's горе can be a bit less than grief, but a little bit more than sorrows and trouble.
But I looked up Nenastya and it said awful weather. Is it symbolically more than that?
It can
or
be
something?
ненастье can be weather. Ненастье can be internal feeling of
Okay, thanks.
yeah, ненастье. Yeah. Right? Good? Okay. Right, I'm getting messages, people can get in. Okay, okay, all good. So we're going to go to the next version, which is our Yiddish version. How many of you have sung the Yiddish version and know the Yiddish version? So now we just sang a jolly happy song, wishing Sasha all good, and there are lots of other jokey versions, naughty versions, love song versions, mocking, making fun of people versions. This one I thought was nice and kind of usable if you wish to sing Russian songs and congratulate somebody. Now, here is the Yiddish version, very, very different, and I will need maybe some of your help on a couple of words. There is a Hebrew expression there in the middle. So let's look at it. It's translated, it's transliterated, kind of transcribed by Yefim Chorny, whom a lot of you know, from a recording on the Ruth Rubin archive. There is a guy singing it. And Harry Ari in Montreal, 1955. And Yefim Chorny and Susanna Gerges were getting ready for Yiddish Summer Weimar 2019. And they brought this song to that event. So they wrote down the text. Unfortunately, I don't have the original Yiddish. So we will have to half guess some of the spelling if you want to do it in Yiddish. But here is transliteration right here. Geht a Jold in Kapelusch, macht die Fantasie. Man nimmt erop dem Kapelusch und schmiert ihm ois in Sage. Sage, I know it as a Slavic word. Sage is this black tar, right? So, ota so eine Joldichlach, Jolde wate jaten, treibt dem Jolden Kapelusch und in sein Daten staten. If anyone wants to comment on this text, please do. If anyone wants to translate it, please do. Geht de Jolden Kapelusch, trockt a Manischke. Me führt rein in schwere, I think this is a Hebrew word, vikuchim. Debates, right? Say it?
Arguments. I think it might be arguments, but I'm not sure.
Is this Hebrew?
Vichuchim is, yeah, I'll look it up. I think it's arguments.
Vikuchim. I think it's Hebrew. I'm convinced it's Hebrew.
Okay, Paul already looked. It's debates, yeah, okay.
Right, yeah. Filled him in die Kashke. Kishke. Yeah, filled him in die Kishke. Geht Jolden Kapelusch mit Apor Botforten. I think it's a Germanic word. Bot, which is boots. Forten, high boots. Geht darauf in Novgorod, new town, new city. Verspielt es in Korten, and he plays, gambles in cards. Now, we see from this translation that it's not a very nice comment on whom. Let me see what's happening here in the chat. So, did you manage to read the translation, those of you who don't speak Yiddish? What do you think? It's quite tough, isn't it? It's a criticism, isn't it? debate,
Very
discussion.
tough-minded.
Uh-huh. No?
Tanya saying it's very tough-minded, the song. It's quite
It's a what-minded, Tanya?
tough.
Yeah,
It's got a bit of a growl to it.
very much so. Who is the guy? Who is the guy in the brimmed hat? Soldier or politician? Who is the guy in the brimmed hat?
It's going to be a soldier, isn't it?
I don't know. I think. Go on.
A bully, a tough guy, someone who thinks he's a tough guy, a bully.
Right.
Capitalist.
A capitalist. No, could it be one of the religious headwear?
No, because if
I
capitalist,
think it's they're making fun of the religious of a rabbi or the leader, the Chabad.
That's my thought. That's my
That's how
thought
I
too.
see it. Yeah.
I think it's one of these hats that like kind of big hats that one of
Shtreimel.
the what? Yeah, Shtreimel, one of these Hasidic.
Is possible. As a kapelush is a sort of more secular fedora
Uh-huh.
or a cap.
You see, I think this song is mocking religious Jews who get into debates and discussions about the kind of how do you interpret this paragraph in the Torah or this I think it's that. To me, it's coming also from the time of this song. We're talking, I would say, 1930s or earlier. Yeah. Certainly before the 1940s, when all these people immigrated. The guy in Canada obviously immigrated earlier from Eastern Europe. So I would say it's mocking religious guys, and in fact they're really they're really kind of simple people who like do all the sins that we do. He plays in cards and all that, but he likes to talk about these high matters. I think that's the point of the song. That's what I think. Right? Shall we try and sing it in Yiddish? Ready to sing? So here is the file, and I suggest we look at the music here. Look at the first verse here. Geht a Jolden Kapelush, right? Okay, let's go. 2, 3. Geht a Jolden Kapelush, macht die Fantasie. Man nimmt mir op dem Kapelusch und schmiert ihm Eus in Sage. O, ta soine joldiglech, jolde watte jaten, treibt dem jolden Kapelusch und in sein Taten state. O, ta soine joldiglech, jolde watte jaten, treibt dem jolden Kapelusch und in sein Taten staten. Dai da dai 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 dai. Geht a jolden Kapelusch, trok die Manischke. Me fährt amar rein die schwere wie Chuchim, wild ihm in die Kischke. O ta soine joldiglech Chorus, jolde watte jaten, treibt dem jolden Kapelusch und in sein Taten staten. O ta soine joldiglech, jolde watte jaten, treibt dem jolden Kapelusch und in sein Taten staten. Geht a jolden Kapelusch mit a Porbat forten. Geht auf Novigrod, verspielt es in Korten. O ta soine joldiglech, jolde watte jaten, treibt dem jolden Kapelusch und in sein Taten staten. O ta soine joldiglech, jolde watte jaten, treibt dem jolden Kapelusch und in sein Taten staten. Okay, there it is. What do you think? Kapelush, oh look at that. Yeah, brimmed hat. Fedora, dressy lady's hat, kapelush. Right, Kapelush. I know another song with Kapelush. Right, Kapelush. There is an Icek manga text. Keiner weet het wat er zo, keiner weet het wat ik wil. Nobody knows what I want, nobody knows where I go. I put on my capeluche, I put on my hat, and I lose myself in going. And it's about drinking or not drinking, joining and drinking in the pub or leaving. Where do you go all by yourself? In that case, the hat is not a religious hat, but it can be. So Badforten also is a tricky one, because Badforten can be a soldier's footwear. I don't know. Now, before who wears a shirt front? A shirt front? Why a shirt front, Helen?
It's in the song.
A shirt front. Let me see where it's shirt front.
It's putting
First two.
Oh, I see. It's like it's behind, like there's something on top, but it's just like a little. Wait, manishka. Manishka is not necessarily a shirt front. Manishka, as far as I know, manishka, that's what we mean, manishka here. Manishka is a little decoration on a shirt as well. Manishka is like a collar, a decorated collar. It can be that as well. So I don't really know. It can be something that you put on and then you put a jacket on top and it looks like a full shirt, but it's not a full shirt. Right? All these clothes. So, there we go. I think it's quite a harsh song, and it's really somebody who really doesn't like the people they're criticizing. So that's the Yiddish version. I don't know of any other Yiddish version apart from the one that is by, is it Aaron Lebedev? A very kind of fun version, but it's a completely different thing. Now, yeah, Beth?
Can you say anything about Novgorod? It's like a generic term for new city, but I see it all the time, and I'm not sure of what it is.
There is a Novgorod. There is a Novgorod. Novgorod is literally means Novy Gorod, which is a new town. But there is a Nizhny Novgorod, which is a lower new town on the Volga River, and there is a Novgorod, which is a Russian town in central Russia. So Novgorod is a known town.
Not in the Pale of Settlement.
I don't think so. I think it's in central Russia. Yeah, I don't think it's in the Pale of Settlement.
One of them is between Moscow and St. Petersburg, I think. Novgorod.
I think that's the one.
That's the one I've been to, and Nizhny Novgorod is further south, I think. Is that?
Nizhny Novgorod is closer to my places, to Kazan. It's 500 kilometers.
So they're not really, it's not a Jewish. type
No,
of cemetery.
no, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Sorry, shame on me. I should know geography better. I've forgotten it all. But Novgorod is really central Russian town, and Nizhny Novgorod is also kind of, I don't know, it's maybe 300 kilometers from Moscow. I don't really know, 500 kilometers from Moscow. Yeah, not really very Jewish places. I would like to introduce a different tune to you, which is a sister tune, and we believe it's the same tune, before we kind of go into singing it and singing it and singing it. It has more than just that chorus. I would like to play it to you, and then we learn the tune, and then we sing it. Does anyone here speak Greek? Right, because I won't be any help. I'll just put transliteration in front of our eyes, and we will do that together.
Nikolaus,
I-
when we need him.
Huh?
Where
Paul?
is Nikolaus when we need him?
I don't know where
Yeah,
Nikolaus is. I was hoping he would come, but you know, he
Yeah.
has some
He's got a
personal.
lot going on.
Yeah, he's got a lot of family thing going on. So I was hoping he'd join us, but he is not here. So I'm going to play you an interesting Greek version. Now share screen, share. Oh, how do I do this? Right, here we go. Share sound, and here is the song.
Όταν περνώ για να σε δω, αχ πως με βάζει Κατερίνα μου, κουζουμ Κατερίνα μου, τα παραπονάκια μου θέλω να στα πω. Η ματιά σαν τα κάστανα, με βάλαν στα βάσανα, κι όλα από την πόρτα σου θέλω να περνώ. Έχεις τσουκάλι πύλινο και ψήνεις φασουλάδα κι εγώ απ' τη λαχτάρα μου παίζοντας την κιθάρα μου σου κάνω πατινάδα.
Okay, how was that tune? It's a very fun tune. So let's sing it, and then we will sing. I'd like us to just sing with this is a lovely voice like mine. Oh, thank you. I wish I had a voice like that. So this is a recording from 1980 something, I believe. Let me just tell you. This is a Greek 20th century Greek singer. Haris Alexou, Amant Katerinamou, and it's 1983, and it was remastered in 2005. So the sound is very clear, a remastered version. So this is Greek, and what I like is look at this. These two words, Amant Katerinamou and kızım. I recognize kızım because in Tatar, kızım is a young girl, a young lady, or a girl. And in Kazakh, my grandmother used to sing "Kızımычka kel kel magim kolim ber ber." This is Kazakh. Little girl, come and give me your hand. So this is a Turkic word that went into this Greek song, which to me means that it could, that's how it may have come, or at least it's a connection to a Turkish. It's singing about a Turkish woman, or it's a Turkish tune that came into Greek music. And the translation is this. Who wants to read it so we have someone else's voices, not just mine? Who wants to read it to us and make sense of it? Come on, just switch yourself on and read it to us, please.
I'll read it.
Yeah, thank you.
When I walk over to see you, oh, how you torture me. You have meatballs in the oven. Oh, my sweet Katerina, and you cook so sweetly.
Yeah.
Oh, my Katerina, my girl, I want to tell you my complaints. Eyes like chestnuts torture me, and I always want to cross over from your door. You have a clay casserole, and you cook bean soup. And from my pleasure, while I'm playing on my guitar, I sing to you a cantata. Oh, my Katrina, you make nice garlic soup. You put excessive oil in your fish roe salad. Your sauce, your tomato that you put in your rice. Oh, my Katrina.
Isn't that fun? Thanks, Helen. What do you think? It's great fun. So, but she's not just a beautiful cook. She puts too much oil in, right? But it's still kind of, I still love you. Now, in some versions, it's translated, oh, my daughter, Katerina. But I'm not sure about these translations. I think it's more like, it's like, it's a love song, right? I think it's kızım. Kızım can be translated as a daughter, my daughter, kızım. So that's the confusion. So that's a love song. So how would you feel about singing it a little bit? Like, let's sing the tune, I guess. Sing the tune with me, because no way I can sing it with words and pronounce it correctly. And then we'll all try and sing with the recording. So here is how the tune goes. Ta da 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 ta da 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 da. Let's go together. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Good. One more time. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Okay. Ta da 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 going up. Ta da 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 da. Second bit, let's go. Ta da 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 going up. Ta da 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 da. And then there is an extra. Ta da 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 da. That little tail, let's go. Ta da 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 da. All right, let's bring this together. I'll lead you through it. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. So when she sings it, and I heard our wonderful Turkish singer here in London, Çiğdem Aslan, with whom I had the pleasure of working this summer in the Caravan Orchestra, really ornamenting it. She was singing it in Turkish and Greek. Really ornamented. Ta-da-da-da. Ornament as much as you like. How is that? Do we know the tune? What do you think? Yeah? So the chorus is slightly different. Da 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 da. I da 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 da. I da 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 da. I da 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 da. I. Let's do that. Da da da. Yeah. I da 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 da. I da 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 da. I da 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 da. I da 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 da. I da 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 da. I da 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 da. So that's chorus. We will sing it one more time and then launch into the whole song. Aman Katerina'ma, kızım Katerina'ma. Ay da 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 ay da 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 da. Ay ay da 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 da. Ay da 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 da. Ay da 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 da. Ay da 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 da. Ay da 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 da. Ay da 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 da. Ay da 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 da. Ay da da. Text comes later, just learn the tune. Ay da 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 da. Ay da 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 da. Okay, good. Now you'll have the text in front of you, and I will put the whole file on, and we just sing with Haris Alexander. Ready? Dance with it. I'm going from the very beginning. Let's follow as much as I can. You won't hear me singing, thank God, because my Greek is nowhere. All right, here we go.
Όταν περνώ για να σε ειδώ, αχ πως με βασανίζεις. Έχεις και Κατερίνα μου, κουζουμ Κατερίνα μου, τα παραπονάκια μου θέλω να στα πω. Ματιά σαν τα κάστανα, με βάλαν στα βάσανα, κι όλα από την πόρτα σου θέλω να περνώ. Έχεις τσουκάλι πύλινο και ψήνεις φασουλάδα, κι εγώ απ' τη λαχτάρα μου, παίζοντας την κιθάρα μου, σου κάνω πατινάδα. Αμάν Κατερίνα μου, κουζουμ Κατερίνα μου, τα παραπονάκια μου θέλω να στα πω. Ματιά σαν τα κάστανα, με βάλαν στα βάσανα, κι όλα από την πόρτα σου θέλω να περνώ. Κατερίνα μου, κουζουμ Κατερίνα μου, τα παραπονάκια μου θέλω να στα πω. Ματιά σαν τα κάστανα, με βάλα στα βάσανα, κι όλα από την πόρτα σου θέλω να περνώ.
Κατερίνα μου. All right, how was that? It's really fun, isn't it?
Well, Paulina, could you display the bottom of the translation? Because there was a reference to fish roe, and Jeff and I really like tarama salata, and I'm doing a screenshot, and I don't think you posted the text.
Okay, there we go.
I was just wondering which language was the first version, the original version of this song.
Justin, there is no agreement on what was the original version of this song. Chava, there is a Hebrew and Ukrainian and Hasidic music specialist, Chava, and I've forgotten her name, in Israel, who claims the tune comes from Ukraine originally.
Alberstein? No.
No, no. She's in a religious community, and this is a food song. Yeah, it's very much so. And she's actually a researcher. She wrote a paper on this, and she thinks it's Ukrainian originally. The earliest recording that I know of is 1914, and it's Russian. It's Morfesi or Sasha, whatever I played for you. So that's a recorded text version, but it could have existed as an instrumental tune before then. And
Sorry, I was going to say the words seem to be different in each one, but the tune is more or less the same.
Absolutely, which could be, it's not a translation of a tune, it's a tune that, it's not a translation of a song, it's a tune that has traveled many different countries as a tune, but lyrics are very, very different everywhere you look. Completely different stories, completely different versions. So to me, it means it's an instrumental tune originally, and it's known as a two-step Russian dance in dance circles as a dance. So, and it's also known as karapet, and karapet seems to be, kara is black and pet is pet. We don't know if it actually means anything, but it could be something from the Caucasus. It doesn't really sound like anything from the Caucasus specifically. I don't know. There is also die da die 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 da die 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 da die die yai da da die die da die da die die ya die da da. That's the version I know as a Russian dance song. So that's a known version, that bam ba 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 syncopated rhythm. It's really, it doesn't sound like anything from the Caucasus. And I want us to, please, if we can, look at the Ukrainian version, just one verse here. La 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 la. There are like hundreds of versions of this song. Beautiful. So here is a fun version.
Paulina,
Yeah.
in your description, you said that Karapet is a common, Black Pete is a common Armenian name. I just looked up black in Armenian, it says Sev. So what's Kara, in which language does Kara mean black?
Kara is in Turkic languages. Kara is black. Kara kum, Kara van.
Don't know that. Okay, thanks.
Right? Yeah. So here is I was dancing Karapet, you see? I was dancing Karapet as the name of the dance in Ukrainian. So it refers to that as an instrumental tune, Karapet. Lyrics, I think, that's attached to the instrumental tune that already existed as a dance. So it's sung as I was dancing this tune, and here is my text, my lyrics to it. Танцувала Карапет, порвала ботинки, засталися на ногах чулки та резинки. Ви музики грайте, а ви люди чуйте, в кого ноги не болят, Карапет танцуйте. Dance Karapet, whoever's, I tore my shoes dancing it, I was dancing it so fiercely, so strongly. Only stockings stayed on my feet, on my legs. And you musicians, muziki, play, it's imperative, play. And you people, everyone, you should know, чуйте, you should know, hear it. If you ноги не болят, if your feet don't hurt, if your legs are not achy, dance Karapet. So it's kind of a fun, jokey text about how somebody's got really excited to be singing it. Not Hava Saban, no, it's a Russian language woman in Dvor, Beth. I'll tell you the name. I'll put the links to these people and to the Greek singer in the YouTube description when that file goes on YouTube. Let's sing this version, eh? Do you think we can just do it? Танцувала Карапет, yeah? Let's go. Танцувала Карапет, порвала ботинки, зосталися на ногах чулки та резинки. Ви музики грайте, а ви люди чуйте, в кого ноги не болять, Карапет танцуйте. Ви музики грайте, а ви люди чуйте, в кого ноги не болять, Карапет танцуйте. I'll sing it one more time, sing with me. Танцевала Карапет, порвала ботинки, засталися на ногах чулки та резинки. Ви музики грайте, а ви люди чуйте, кого ноги не болять, Карапет танцуйте. Ви музики грайте, а ви люди чуйте, кого ноги не болять, Карапет танцуйте. Ай да да дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 дай, ай да да дай да 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 дай, я да 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 дай дай. I see Ben dancing. That's fun. Thanks, Ben. But it is about dancing, this one right here. Okay. So how was that for you? Should G be pronounced as a H? Yeah, in Ukrainian it should be. I'm not a native Ukrainian speaker, so I'm kind of making it up. So please don't see me as a perfect example of Ukrainian. I'm only doing what I'm kind of used to from hearing Ukrainian a little bit. So yeah, it's a disclaimer. Don't criticize me for not being perfect, but I'm trying my best. Right. What I was going to suggest for the kind of big grand finale of our session today is to sing through these versions. So we sing it in Russian, we sing it in Yiddish, we sing it maybe Aman Katerinamo in Greek, just the I don't know, I can't really lead you through it. I'll do my best, I'll mess it up for sure. And then we sing Ukrainian, okay? How about that plan? So I jumped to some harmonies. Yeah? Any notes, anything? Okay, all right, let's do it. Right. Okay, Ben, all right, good to see you. I know, a Finnish version. Right, sorry, wasn't meant to, yeah. Right, okay, all these people, you're writing, get to struggle pronounce the Finnish version. I can send you a link to a blog. It's a Russian language blog with lots of, it's in 3 chapters. It's an exploration of how this tune has traveled. Quite a thorough one, but it's in Russian, made by our great friend, a music researcher who, since the war started, has escaped. He lived in Morocco for a while, and now he lives in Israel. Ilya Saytanov. He goes really, really deep. He is a nerd in a good way. He is the person to go for information about any kind of songs from any kind of culture, really. He knows many, many things, and he plays in bands as well. He's a musician, and he put together a whole long research on that tune. He sent me a file, a Google file with over 100 versions of the
Paul,
text.
you also mentioned the Ladino version.
Yes. I have a YouTube link to or some kind of video link to that version. It's not necessarily the same song. I'm in doubt about that, but I can post these things to you.
Is it about food? No, I'm just curious what the text is. They're so variable, the subject
right.
matter.
Ladino. Let's see if I can find it right away. Karapet. Right, wait a second. I'll have to go online for this one. That would be fun to put it here. Bookmarks, I have it bookmarked. De Padre and, right, okay. That has a claim to be the Ladino version. Wait a second. Yeah. It's called En Padre. Right. Wait a second. There's a film. It gets confused with the film. I'm just going to send you my bookmark, and then it takes you to the search, and one of these should be the version. It's as much as I can do right now. Un padre en puro. That's the name of the tune. So I found an audio file when I was doing that search for the tunes for the Caravan in the summer. But it was like 3 months ago. So I don't really remember how the tune went. It wasn't very convincing to me that it's exactly the same song. So let's see if we can do further search on this one. Now, back to singing, otherwise we won't have time for it. Let's do this. I'll be going back and forth between these. Here. All right. All right, congratulatory song. Как цветок душистый, аромат разносит, так бокал налитый, тост заздравный просит. Выпьем же за Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Second verse. Кто друзей имеет, счастлив будет вечно. Тот, кто веселится, проживет беспечно. Выпьем же за Сашу дорогого.
другого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. So let's drink together за любовь, за счастье, чтобы миновало горе и ненастье. Выпьем же за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Выпьем же за Сашу, Сашу дорогого, а пока не выпьем, не нальем другого. Geht Jolden Kabeljus, macht die Fantasie, man nimmt immer op dem Kabeljus und schmiert ihm ois in Sage. Ot azoine Joldeklach, Jolde wat jaten, treibt dem Jolden Kabeljus und sein Taten staten. Ot azoine Joldeklach, Jolde treibt dem Jolden Kabeljus und sein Taten geht ein Jolden Kabeljus, trockt am Manischke, me führt immer ein die schwere Verruchem mit ihm in die Kischke. Und so eine Jodikliche Jolde wat jaden, treibt dem Jolden Kabeljus und in sein Taten staten. Geht ein Jolden Kabeljus mit a Port forten, geht auf in Novigrad, verspielt is en Korten, und das so eine Joldekelach, Jolde wat jaden, treibt dem Jolden Kabeljus und in seinen Staten, und das so eine Joldekelach, Jolde wat jaden, treibt dem Jolden Kabeljus und in seinen Staten. Ja da 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 da. Aman Katerina mo, kazam Katerina mo, ta paparlanika mo tela nastopo. Hey, Matja Santa Castana, mervam se klasana, kjola poven bortes tela na pereno. I can't do it. Aman Katerina mo, kazam Katerina mo, taparaponakiemo thela nastopo. Oi, Matja Santa Castana, mervam se Castana, kjola podin portela, dai 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 dai, dai 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 dai. Танцевала карапет, порвала ботинки, застались на ногах чулки-то резинки. Ви музики грайте, а ви люди чуйте, в кого ноги не болять, карапет танцуйте. Ви музики грайте, а ви люди чуйте, кого ноги не болять, карапет танцуйте. Яй дай дай яй да дай, ай дай 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 да дай, яй дай дай я да да дай, я да дай 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 дай, ай дай 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 да дай, яй да дай 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 да дай, яй дай 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 да дай, я да дай 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 дай, я дай 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 да дай, я дай 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 да дай, я дай 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 да дай, я дай 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 дай. Otazoi, here we go. It's a really fun tune, isn't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Apologies again for messing up all these languages. I don't claim to know them. I just hope that you will go and do your research and sing it with the originals. What can I say? It was really lovely to reconnect with you and see people from all over the place joining Sing With Me again.
There will be Yiddish songs online with the Workers' Circle starting in October. There will be that. There'll be some other online things, hopefully in 2024. Sing with me and keep singing. Stay well, stay healthy, and hope to see you again. Thanks very much for joining. Bye, everyone.